I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to use the CCI up, Williams down process. You need a 55 SMA, 15 CCI, 14 Williams percentage, and we're using 15-second Heikin-Ashi candles, and our trade expiration is 5 seconds. One other thing that you need to be aware of is that you're taking your trade at the beginning of the candle. It might be at 14 or 13 seconds, but as soon as you see the confirmation, take your trade. We have our candles, CCI, and Williams, our lines drawn out, and now we're going to add in the actual drawings. Now, the candle we're targeting is the one with the arrow right there. Okay, so now I've added in the CCI and the Williams, and it does match our candle pattern, right? So we are going down, have our doji, then go back up. This orange section is our danger zone. Your CCI and Williams must be in this to enter the trade. The rules, if you haven't seen my previous video, is that the CCI must be up and the Williams must be down. Up, down. You enter the trade. 5 seconds. 5 seconds, beginning of the candle. You see this happen? Very simple. Before you do any of that, you need to draw a couple of things. We would have our 55 SMA look like that. We need horizontal lines for support and resistance. One right here where our support is. And then we would want a trend line so that we check that. So we're gonna add a trend line right there. And now we're going to be ready. Now you also notice that we have a two touch, where our trend line and horizontal line, our support and resistance, come together. We know our direction is going up. We're now going to be in an uptrend, okay? And it would be opposite true if it was going down, okay? So now we have this drawn out. You might have another one for supply and demand, you know, all these other different things. But once we break this line, this is another important thing, right? Because we already know that we have new support because we broke above resistance. This would be a green candle going up, now going down. This is a resistance line right here. We break above this, and now we are above that. This becomes support. So we're entering on this candle here because the CCI went up and the Williams went down. This is a very fast, sharp movement, all right? And this is going to give you probably a success rate. If you put these different factors together, your success rate is going to be even higher. You don't want to enter into any trades unless you have drawn your lines. You need to draw your lines. You need to know where your zones are. That is one of the most important things. You can access aspects of this strategy for free on my Telegram channel. The masterclass is not free, but my Telegram channel is. So head over there. I'll see you inside. And if you have questions, post a comment. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.